If you, like me, have just received 10 pop-up pods and you opened one up, really excited about it, maybe you opened all 10, and now you're wondering where are you gonna hold these 10 tents in your building because you surely can't fold them back up. I have some tips and tricks for you. Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna collapse this thing to make sure it's fully flat, and we're gonna lay it down, okay? Here, let me get it down so you can see. We're gonna tilt it down, and you wanna make sure all side wirings are kind of lined up, okay? However you do that. If it helps you to put your feet on it and then begin folding, go ahead. Top or bottom, I've had more success with the bottoms to the top fold up. As many videos on the internet say, like a taco, so that it's sort of wrapped up and you have a circle shape. Now, push one side in on itself and you'll already see 3 sort of circles, and begin folding them in on itself. And there you go. I know I made it look easy, but practice will get you, oh gosh. Now keep it folded and then put it back in the bag.